Okay, so the reason I keep doing, I can do anything in the tip off environment, take out, go back, is that's the easiest thing for me to do. I don't want. I don't know what this sounds like. Okay. Actually, it gives me a good idea. Okay. That is giving me a good idea. No, someone's telling me to do 7,000 quid. Okay. Right. Oh, that sounds way better. I like that. Actually, now it's time for me. Now is actually a good time for me to show you this. That you can actually extend this. Okay. Yeah, that's how you can do it. All you gotta do, okay, all you gotta do is like click on it, like is do it like that. Left mouse button and then drag with your mouse. That's actually a perfect time for me to show you this. I know a lot about Linux Multimedia Studio because I got actually a lot of experience with it. I like that. That's how you can actually get it to work in your favor. Okay. Then let's go here. It's a cloud. That's more, okay, for me, that's more of a chorus thing. I just got a good idea. Oh, I just got a good idea. Mm. Oh, it's gonna be an opportunity to show you this too. Right click, copy. Right click, paste. Okay? That's how you do that. Yeah. Yeah. Also, another thing you can do. Remember, this may actually change, but I'm trying to do a good. I don't know. That is not 33, 34 milligrams of caffeine in Coke is not enough. You get sugar on it. Oh yeah, that's good. It gives me a good idea to show you this. Okay, put a note down. See? They do that. Right? Now, I'm going to be using this technique, really, is yeah, people don't realize this. I will be doing a basic little beat. Okay? So, yeah. Anyway, that's just a tutorial how to drag also. And why I actually do just I could do a thing in hip hop, I'm gonna take over but give back. I went on that one today too. I've also got one thing done called Broken Promises. OCD, as I got done, I was like, because I got OCD. If you have OCD, you know how much of a pain in the butt it is. So, I hate having OCD. I really do. But yeah, this was basically a tutorial how to do this. You know, drag stuff. Right? So, I hope I found this tutorial good. Was it saved? That's the OCD also. I wonder what happened if I actually did base boost. But yeah, that's how you string that together. So anyway, hope you found this entertaining or actually informative how to use more of this. It's been Sakini. That's the DA-JYK official. And God bless. Have a good day.